Hello friends, today in this video I will make a firework starter at home. This can be used to light a firework from a distance. For this project we will need a steel scrubber. This is used to wash the utensils. Some of the matchsticks, but we need only one for one igniter. Then we need a push button switch which is used in the controller. Some of the flexible wire and a small piece of MDF board. We also need a female adapter connector so that we can operate our device with 12 volt. Now with the help of a sharp cutter, put a cut on the middle of the matchstick. Now take this steel scrubber and cut a small part of it. We are going to make this project without nichrome wire, so please watch till end. Now we need two flexible wires and tighten one end of the scrubber to one end of the flexible wire and the other end to the another flexible wire. We can see the result as it is. Now pass through the scrubber wire to the mark that we had drawn on the matchstick and keep all the structure with the help of a sellotape. Now our igniter part is ready. Let's move on to the controller part. Controller. Apply some hot glue on the MDF board and paste a small push button switch on it. Now do all the connections as shown in the video. Now attach a 1 meter to 2 meter long wire to the two wires coming out of the controller. Use PVC wiring tape to insulate the structure. Now connect the other end of the big wire that we took to the two wires coming out from the igniter. Now our project is ready. Let's move on to the testing part. Now it's testing time. I have attached a 12 volt 2 ampere adapter to the socket, and when we press the switch, the igniter blows up and the firework will blow off without any damage to us. I am also showing this in slow motion. Thanks for watching.